Welcome back to Trination X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I've got Allure with my Ipsy today, which is in my lap. We're going to do back-to-back videos, and if you see this video along with our other videos, you'll know our mom is not doing well, so please keep her in your thoughts and prayers. I feel like she's all alone where she's at in this little extended care facility, and we're going to try to go see her, but still she's alone the majority of the time, and that's really sad. So I just told her to try to think positive and sing songs if she gets bored until we can bring her things. Because of the COVID, they're regulating us. This is what Allure looks like when I open it. And I feel like we got all these late, sort of. I just got it today. And then the inside, she's so pretty. She's got purple in her lashes. It just shows you if I can turn the pages, what you're getting. So I'll give that to my sister here. And at least it's kind of packed nice. So the first thing I'm seeing is Accure's Welcome to Skin Wellness Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root. Unicorn, is that really a thing? Unicorn Root Cleanser. 100% vegan, 0% pretentious. What do you do with this? Apply small amount to wet face and massage and circle until it foams. Rinse thoroughly. Oh, it is a cleanser. I like cleansers. It's just it's a weird design for one. Can you hold that, darling? Thank you. The next thing I'm pulling out is AHC, Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. And you guys probably know I get a million eye creams, but I use, them until they're gone, then I use the next one until it's gone, then I use the next one, so I always use them. This is Skin Ink's, or Skin Ink Supplement Bar, my daily dose of Glow, Illuminate, and Brighten. Vitamin A, clear, brighten, firmer skin. That sounds cool. It makes me think of just a serum or something, so,
And it says apply a pea-sized amount directly on, well, this is what she does, I guess. She applies it on her forehead and adds 2 more drops on each cheek and massages it in. And watches the pink and blue encapsulations burst and blend away. And it says it, I guess, retails for $65.
I don't know, it's heavy. I like that. Next, I have Curology Smooth Sailing, way more than a moisturizer. It's an entire skincare set. I don't know, I can't read. It's really late at night. For free. Hit us up for the rest of the routine at Curology.com/allure. Moisturizers. It's weird. I go through those quickly too. Most of the ones I get that I don't go through as quickly are the ones that have a primer thing kind of to them. Those I don't use quite as often, but moisturizers I definitely use every day typically. This will go, and I love, is it Anastasia? Is that how you say it? I love her stuff, but I don't like clear brow gels. So just for me, it's I need to have a color added if I'm going to do my brows. So that can go in a giveaway, which is awesome and exciting for you guys because we're going to do a giveaway here soon, even with the COVID going on. As I've mentioned in my other videos, we have not got anybody saying that they don't want us to do one, so they said it's up to us, the one person who did answer, so we're going to do one. And this mask is my last thing. It says Win Glamour Base Biocellulose Sheet Mask.
It says price $7.
See, I like these kind. You can leave the mask on after, but if I still have 10 of these exact kinds where you can leave the stuff on, the serum on the skin, then I'll put this one in a giveaway, but I'll see how many I have left. I'm not sure. But this box is around $17 for those of you who don't know, 17, 18, somewhere around there. I really like what I got. It was mainly skincare, it seems like, but that's what I go for. So, and a cleanser. Cleansers I really, really need. But that was it for this video. If it was fast enough, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you know about our featured giveaways like the one we're going to do here soon, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.